Here's an example where I want to figure out if some English statements are equivalent to each other. So I have the following four statements. If it is hot, then I use the air conditioner. If it is not hot, then I do not use the air conditioner. If I'm not using the air conditioner, then it is not hot. And it is not hot, or I do not use the air conditioner. So to figure out which, if any of these are equivalent, the first thing I'm going to do is symbolize them. So let's let H be it is hot. Seems to make sense to me. And then let's let A be I use the air conditioner. All right, so that top statement is if it is hot, then I use the air conditioner. If H, then A. That second statement is if it is not hot, then I do not use the air conditioner. All right, that third statement is if I'm not using the air conditioner, then it's not hot. And that last statement is it is not hot, or I do not use the air conditioner. So here are the four statements I want to know if they're equivalent. So if H, then A. If not H, then not A. If not A, then not H. And not H or not A. Let's see if I can fit that there a little better. Okay, great. So in order to find out if they're equivalent, I'm going to make the truth table. So I need H, A, not H, not A, and that should be enough to do everything. Only have two, so I only need 4 rows. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Split these up. In theory, I should have alphabetized my variables, but since it's just us, since we weren't asked to do the truth table, and since we made up the variables, it's okay to have them in whatever order we want. All right, let me just fill in not H here, not A. Okay, if H, then A. So, if true, then true is true. If true, then false is false. If false, then true is true. If false, then false is true. Okay, if not H, then not A. So if false, then false is true. If false, then true is true. If true, then false is false. If true, then true is true. Okay, those two don't match, so nothing so far. Now, if not A, then not H. So if false, then false is true. If true, then false is false. If false, then true is true. And if true, then true is true. Okay, that one matches if H, then A. So those two are equivalent. All right, just one more. If not H, sorry, that last one was not H or A. I had too many. Not H or not A. Yep, sorry, just got a little too excited. If not, or sorry, not H or not A. False or false is false. False or true is true. True or false is true. And true or true is true. Okay, do any of these match? Yeah, just those two we talked about before. If H, then A. And if not A, then not H are the only two here that are equivalent. So I can say that if I desire. If H, then A is equivalent to if not A, then not H. Or, actually going back and answering the question I was asked, this statement has the same meaning as that statement. Those two statements are equivalent.